everyone, thinking about starting an online store? This video is your friendly guide to navigating Shopify as a beginner. We will go through each step together, making it super easy to set up your online store. Now let's get started. Shopify offers one of the simplest, most comprehensive way to start selling online. Whether you are a tech pro or a casual user, you will be able to use Shopify to get online and start selling. Once more, Shopify offers a free trial, so you will be able to follow this Shopify tutorial without spending a penny. First, create an account with Shopify. To get started, head to Shopify to sign up for the free trial. Once you start your free trial, you are required to fill in some details about yourself. If you are just trying things out, you can choose the option that you are just starting. You will need to furnish the name of your store as well as your address, complete with zip code. Second, explore the Shopify admin screen. Once you have filled in the details, hit Enter My Store and you will land on the admin screen of your store. Much of the actions in this Shopify tutorial takes place on the screen, and here is what it looks like. As you can see, on this page you will be able to add products, set up payments, shipping analytics, choose your theme and customize your store. That's a lot of filling and choosing, but once you get it right, it can work smoothly in the long term. Third, choose and customize your theme. Not all Shopify stores look alike, and Shopify themes are what help you to achieve a different look for your store and add a wow factor. You will find that the theme page of your admin has a default theme in place, but you can change it by selecting a free or paid theme from Shopify official theme store. Before you zero in on your theme, do take a few moments to check out demos, previews, and what other users say about your theme. Then click the Try It Now button in the theme. Next, go to Online Store, then Theme. You will find that the theme was added to your store. You can test and preview changes and add seasonal versions of your published theme. Depending on which Shopify plan you choose, it's possible to add many themes to your account. However, you can publish only one theme at a time. These themes have everything you need to make an impact. All themes have full Shopify support, so you can be sure they will work just fine. Just in case you don't know, you can also find Shopify themes designed by third parties on different marketplaces and theme houses. It's likely that you may be happy that how the theme displays your store, but you may also want to explore options to customize the theme. You can access these options by modifying the URL. That's not all you can do when it comes to product. You can duplicate your product pages, add options to create variants, and edit them further to change product details. You can also edit product in bulk via bulk editor. In the publishing section, you can click the Customize button next to your active theme. You will be able to view your theme's documentation, edit the code, change text, add free stock photos, upload images, and more. If you want to make major changes that need HTML or CSS and coding isn't your thing, you may want to get help from Shopify experts. Fourth, add your products. The next step in this Shopify tutorial is to add your products that you intend to sell on your Shopify store. To do this, go to Products, then Add Product. All information relating to any product that you want to share with your customer goes in here. You can upload images of the product and fill in many details to describe it. Add information that will help your viewers find the product easily, keeping SEO in mind. Under the search engine listing section, enter a descriptive title that will display as a link in the search engine result. You will be able to also add description using keywords and choose channels to sell the product by clicking on the three dots and selecting Manage Sales Channel. To help your customer find product easily, you can add tags to them under the organization section. It's possible to add up to 250 tags to each product, all separated by commas. Fifth, configure nitty-gritty settings like shipping, payments, etc. Before you can go live with your store, there is more to select and enable. Stay with this Shopify tutorial to get you through. You can access all those options from your store's settings area. First one, store detail. Here you will need to fill some general information about your business. Next, location. Location help you manage the inventory, fulfill orders and sell products. Location for your store can be retail outlet, warehouses, drop shippers, or any other places that has anything to do with the inventory, including apps that manage inventory. The number of locations you can set up is linked with the plan you choose. Next, shipping. Before you make a sale, you have got to decide which delivery method are best suited for your business. Thereafter, you can allow your customer to choose any one of these methods at checkout. The shipping zone and rate relevant to the region and the countries you ship to will display on the shipping page of your Shopify account. Shopify also offers a shipping service from location based in USA and Canada. This allows you to purchase shipping labels that displays rate to your customers and speeds up delivery. You can simply drop off packages at any post office. Your decision on shipping rate would take into consideration on actual shipping cost, product weight, and packaging. If you purchase shipping labels of popular carriers in USA and Canada through Shopify, you can cut down shipping cost by nearly half as compared to retail rate. Often many customers abandon their cart at checkout on account of shipping rate that comes as a surprise. To tackle this, you have the option to offer free shipping based on price, weight, or discount codes. The higher plans allows you to display calculated rate from different carriers at checkout. Next, checkout. The checkout page is where you accept orders via the secure Shopify checkout. The appearance and layout of the checkout page can be modified in theme settings. Here you will be able to allow customer to create customer accounts so that password protected information such as address, email, and order history are stored and pre-filled at checkout. Next, receiving payments. With Shopify, you can enable a number of payment options for your customers' convenience. While choosing payment gateways, you should keep both your location and that of your customer in mind. Not only that, you should consider transaction fees, type of cards accepted, on-site or off-site checkout before selecting your payment provider. As for credit card payments, you can go with Shopify Payments or choose from a list of 100 plus third-party providers. For non-credit card transactions, there are options like PayPal, Amazon Pay, or Apple Pay with PayPal as default payment provider. To choose currency for your store, visit Settings, Store Details, then Store Currency, then change Store Currency. Next, taxes. Laws of most countries require you to collect tax on sales of products and remit them to the government. Shopify makes this easy for you by handling most common tax calculation in many tax jurisdictions. Shopify uses default rate that you need to confirm or modify. Several reports are available that help you to compile information submission to your accountant or file returns with the government. Sixth point, test your store. At this point in this Shopify tutorial, it's a good idea to test your store before you start to take orders. That's why you have the bogus gateway. You can make sure that your checkout process and settings for order processing, shipping, inventory, notification, and taxes are all working as you intended. Go to settings, then payment, and deactivate any payment provider that you have enabled. Then click through see all other providers under Shopify payment setup, then bogus gateway, then activate the gateway. Thereafter, visit your store just like any ordinary customer and place an order, and you will know if you have done all the right things. You can also test the system with a genuine transaction by using actual credit card numbers and then checking if the fund transfer is complete. Make sure to cancel the order immediately to avoid transaction fees and get a refund though. Last point, add a custom domain name. Now you are one step away from going live with your store, adding your domain to Shopify. Just as with any website, you will need a domain name by which you can be found by visitors and search engines. Here too, you will find a ready solution from Shopify. To help you to set up a store, Shopify assigns a default domain www.yourstorename.myshopify.com. But you may want a more customized URL such as www.yourstorename.com for better brand recall in your customer's mind or to rank better in a search. In that case, you can choose from buying a domain from Shopify or using a custom domain that you purchased elsewhere or already own. Custom domain from Shopify starts at $9 per year and Shopify automatically configures it for you. Once more, you get to keep the domain name even if you quit the Shopify platform. And though there are no email account in the domain package, Shopify will forward unlimited mail to your email address. Thanks for tuning into our Shopify tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in kickstarting your online store journey. Remember, at MBQ Computer Services, we are here to help you at every step of the way. Whether it's customizing your store, optimizing for sales, or mastering digital marketing, we have got you covered. Ready to take your business to the next level? Let's make it happen together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.